Another episode of Zulf Asks LinkedIn. I'm part of the Canon EOS digital photography group on LinkedIn. I often ask questions, interesting questions, to get community feedback. Today's question I asked was, let's hear about your oldest DSLR camera still in use today. Great reaction, 21 comments, thank you. So I'll read some of those now and give you a bit of information. So we've got a Canon 350D. That's a fairly old camera, so that's quite well going. I have a 40D and a T3i that get active use. The 40D is a backup, but the sensor in the T3i is pretty solid. I take a lot of pictures with it still. John, well done. T3i is a solid camera. I think that's a Canon 600D in the UK. I've got the T2i, which is the 550D, and that's actually really good as well. We've got 3 replies on that. It may just mean me. Sounds like a solid setup because I'm quite pleased with that. I like it, alright. I have a 50 and a macro I use a lot, and a couple of zooms for walking around. It gets a lot of jobs done. So John's been got a really good setup there, because a 40D T3i, a couple of good lenses, that's all you can really need. So it can be difficult to find the perfect combo. Once you find it, the world is at your fingertips. Photography world. Okay, we got another one. Canon Canonet 28 range finder. I use it only three quarter times of a year, but enjoy it greatly when I do. It's got a picture. Can I show that? Let's show it. Ooh, wow, look at that. That's a proper setup in it. Yes. Cameron Pollock. Nice, good job. Okay, another one here. Although I have a 1D Mark II, and on a daily basis I always have the 1DS Mark II with me. One reply, was that me? Probably. No, can I see the reply? No. What? Okay, that's probably the reply. I'm still using my 500D and a Canon SX20. It has almost been 10 years, still with some regular service I am handling and using it. That's good, Pooja. Excellent gear, doesn't matter, skill does. Doesn't go back long. Canon 1100D from 2011 is now replaced with the higher numbered models. See, things like this are interesting. I looked into the 1000 series cameras and found some of the older 450D, 500D and 550D, which is the T2i, T1i and the KISS, I think they call it, had more features. Get starter cameras though. Great starter cameras though. Richard's 1DS Mark III. I also still have my 50D but don't use it. See some previous comments now. 2007, 2008, that's roughly when they made solid cameras, non-digital. I also still have my EOS 10S. 1990. Well done, Richard. Good job. Keep it going. Let's see how long you can carry on going for. I still use my 40D occasionally. Primarily, I use the T3i since it is small and easy to carry around. Though I am often missing my 5D Mark II, I have been eyeing full frames again lately. May have to go with a mirrorless though. Ooh, mirrorless. They are calling to me. John, I think they're calling to you. Don't listen to them. Yes, the size and weight saving is a major plus for mirrorless though, I have to say. I will get the ball rolling. I think that's my first comment. I said I've got a 550 from 2010. I still use my Canon 5D Mark II. Terrific colors on my weddings, so it must be a wedding photographer Michael. Great solid camera. That's really good. If you aren't part of this community, I'll put a link to it in the description. You can check these comments out and become a member. It's a Canon talk really, so make sure you don't go in there with Nikon or something. It'll get everybody's backs up. But yes, that was nice. Thank you everybody that commented, and we'll keep this going. I think we've got a few more videos planned.